Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Alright, so right now we're in the kitchen, and we're going to be making some turkey stew peas, smoked turkey stew peas. We have here 12 ounces of red kidney beans. What are you going to do now, Mom?
Wash it properly. So you wash it too. That's how they come in a packet. You have to wash it.
So many times you wash it, about?
You can wash it 2 times, like how it come in a steel.
Okay. Alright, until the water runs clear, just remove any excess dirt and debris.
Make sure put it in one container, make sure it's no dirt in the bottom. Sometimes you wash the peas and dirt in the bottom where you don't see it.
Okay, so wash it first, remove the pieces then,
Yes,
just to ensure that you're not storing dirt in the bottom of the dish. Alright.
So you know, so you have to be clean when you do it like this. The pot now.
Add them to a pot.
Okay. Little bit amount of water.
You come on about 2.5 cups of water. Or until the peas are fully submerged.
Yes.
So you have about 5 to 6 grains of pimento berries. You wash those.
And put it in there.
Alright. So you peel about 3 to 5 garlic cloves. And you're just gonna wash those and crush them and add them to your peas.
Reason why you crush them because you get the juice out of them peas here. So you add it to the peas.
So you add a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Give that a wash. Remove any dirt or debris. Add that to your peas.
Right. So the reason why I not put any salt because the smoky turkey neck have a little bit of salt, not too salt. So chicken food, turkey neck when you have no salt, you can add the salt to the peas. Water.
And the next thing to note, when you have your peas like this, let's say you're gonna cook this on a Sunday afternoon like today, you can prep it this way and cover it up in a container with a lid overnight.
In the pot, soak it.
Yeah, in the pot. So you soak that. That will do is to break the pods and soften the peas, so cooking process is shorter. So right now you're gonna pop this on the stove for about 30 minutes or until it comes to a boil, and we'll show you what to do next.
So we are going to cover it now and we are going to show you this start boil up and we are going to see. So now you are going to put in your cold water. So when you see the peas being go down, you know so you can put some water in and steam peas and cook.
So just added 4 more cups of cold water. So in total we have 6.5 cups, right? And we add the cold water just to submerge the floating peas. In Jamaica we call this sinking the peas. And any peas that are floating, typically if they're floating, they won't be able to cook thoroughly. So that's why you want to sink them to the bottom of the water so that they are able to cook. So right now I'm just going to cover this up and allow it to come to a boil again and cook for about 40 minutes to an hour, or until somewhat 50 to 70% cooked. So let's go.
So we are going to take off like this. You know, you are going to take off the
excess skin from the smoked turkey.
Yes. People cook it on it, but mine we are not cooking turkey, you know.
Clean it up nice. Yeah. So with the smoked turkey, it is somewhat cooked, right? So all that tedious cooking process, you don't have to have it in the piece cooking from the get-go like your regular turkey. So this is cooked to an extent. As mommy said, a lot of people wouldn't clean this up, but she likes to clean it down thoroughly. You know, some people just chop it and throw it in the pot at this stage, but no, we're gonna strip off the excess skin and clean it up properly.
It's just like when you just like coming to the raw one. You
I have a few videos out on turkey neck. We do the ghetto oxtail, the brown stew turkey neck, the curry turkey neck. You know what I say? And now we have the turkey, the smoked turkey neck in stew peas. And for those who may be asking right now, can I use regular turkey neck to cook this? You can. You can just use the plain turkey neck to cook this as well, but the smoky one just give it a different flavor as well.
Right. And you can also cook it down nicely fit without stew peas too. So you see all these extra fat, you have to get off.
You don't want all of that fatties and skin. And for this turkey, we went and we got it in our local Caribbean grocery store. You can check your Walmart or your Whole Foods, places like that, I'm not sure. But the Caribbean store should carry these. Butchers normally would carry something like this. So you can talk to your butcher if you want to get a smoked turkey neck. Thanksgiving in the US just around the corner, so perfect, you know. Alright, so after we clean this up, we're just gonna show what it looks like. And easier you clean it before you start chop it up, right? You clean it before you start chop it up. So there we go. Nice. These are about 2 to 2.5 inches long. And we're good to go.
Yes, people. Turkey neck can go in there now because it's almost cooked.
So these peas are nice and soft. So about 30 to 40 minutes since they've been cooking. I'm going with our cut turkey. I'll just rinse on a little bit of water.
Smoky turkey neck. So we'll add a little bit more water if you finish cooking. Yes, so we're gonna fix it up.
You just submerge it a little bit. And so you're gonna add about the next cup of water just to cover the pieces fully.
Right.
And allow that to cook. Alright, that's what we have, slowly cooking. So we're gonna add our seasonings and our coconut milk right now.
Coconut milk.
So just rinse off your pan.
Say if you don't have a cutter, we use it, people don't follow me.
But yeah, teach me why we don't follow you.
Or less.
So this is about half an hour cooking slowly on low heat of coconut milk.
People, this soup is coming like not even one roll in that. We put two in there.
Gonna make some dumplings.
Yes.
Some spinners. Alright, go on. So we have here about 1 cup of flour and a pinch of salt. Or to your tolerance. So we just mix that together. Mommy don't add cornmeal in her flour. You just use the flour, the salt, and about 1.5 ounces of water are enough to bring this to a dough consistency. So you're gonna need that until it forms a nice smooth dough. So right now, as we say, you need that until it's nice and smooth. I'm just gonna make a few spinners. Spinners are little tiny dumplings that look like the shape of corn. And when you achieve that pinch, roll in the hand middle like a cigar, so to speak.
Right.
So slow it down. Slow it down, mommy. Go on, put that in there. Slow it down for them pinch piece. Go on. Go on. And you roll. Just like that. So once these spinners are cooked, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes, then you know that your stew will be ready. And these spinners will also help to thicken the stew.
Yes, so I will eat one stir. Dumpling can cook. So you just go and cook down. Then you go have me something after. A little bit of seasoning over it because should the meat have the salt in there already.
We're gonna add that salt in. So you add tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, or to your liking. At this point, yeah, you can season to your taste at this point.
I must have been a cook and taste, but that's how I'm gonna do. And I go see the taste people. You know, taste part is wild. So you can heat up your skin and a little bit.
Get out excess juice. Half of a white onion. And just cut that into strips. And we're gonna use a few fresh sprigs of thyme and 2 stalks of scallion or green onion, and just, as you saw mommy did, she mash it up a little bit.
So I'm gonna add these in, you know.
Oh, we have a scotch bonnet. We never tell them we have 1 green scotch bonnet.
And a pinch of butter.
A tablespoon of butter. Tablespoon of butter. So why you put in the butter?
Flavor.
Okay, nice and velvety.
I'm gonna use no oil.
Good.
Yep.
Nice and thick already. So about 7 more minutes and we should be good to go.
Right. You know, one more water stew pieces, wet up your rice.
There you go.
Right. Right. Good to go.
Looks good.
Listen, that can't turn off now. You can't turn off now, people, and then the heat take time to simmer it down.
Good man. Nice and thick.
No flour, you know, mix up no flour, put in there. You have to put full amount of peas in there. Yes.
Rich.
And make the
Are you good to go? Yeah, man. Some fried plantain.
when we used to work at home, you know, I make stew peas, you know, people. My boss used to freeze it for people come overseas. Family member. And tell them about my stew peas. My son friend them always leave from their house anytime they say me I cook stew peas, come over for dinner. And they say the stew peas them ever taste. Cause I don't mix up flour with my stew peas, no. So my stew peas them always work out good.
There you go.
No mix up no flour put in there, because if you mix up the flour put in there, that goes spoil the taste and the texture. So put as much peas, people. 1 pound of peas to that amount of, yeah, and enough meat. And you can put 2 meat in if you need it, but you never want.
It's about 3 pounds of turkey neck.
Yes.
Some fried plantain and white rice. And
Yeah.
good to go. There you have it.
The reason why I don't taste my pot when I'm cooking, because you know when you taste it, will taste like you want little bit more season, little bit more salt, and then adding your spoil the flavor. So you just cook and judge your mind. And I mean, I go say you must do like me, but that is how me cook. You see me taste it, my food spoil. Me can't cook and taste.
Yes, you just
Just
as
with the
everybody
special-
normally say, cook till you hear a mind say stop.
When you cook so it's just perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect cooking, but no tasting. Me not cook and taste. No.
Because like the motherly cooking, you just stop when you hear your mind say no
My
more
mother was
season.
a good cook. They used to call her Miss Cook. So she will take the cooking from.
There you
Okay.
go. Alright,
Love you
mother.
guys. Remember to like, share.
Here.
Love you guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend and tell a friend.
Alright.
And come over, Mary's time cooking, and Pauline Bailey cooking.
Yes, sir, ma'am.
Love you guys.
Thank you for
Bye.
your recipe, my
Enjoy
mother.
it with us.